You guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you don't know, now you know. It is JD on 3 and I'm here with another quick video. So this is for people who want to change their driver's seat. Here looks like the best way to do it, so let's go ahead and get into it. All right, you guys, so I have a seat from a 22 or 21 Rally. I like this seat over the original 21 Ryker, Ryker seat that came with mine. This one seems to be a little stiffer, a little bit higher. It's a little bit more comfortable than the original seat that I had. And so when I got it, I was like, okay, how do I install it? Well, here you go. And again, guys, I'm just making a really quick video. Basically, I clamshelled the bike. So once you clamshell the bike, that's gonna give you access to these slots. Without the bike being clamshelled, the piece that's underneath, which is this metal frame, that's what you're gonna be contacting instead of this open space. The reason why you need the open space, on the back of the seat, you have these connection points. It's just rubber. And what they do is they actually go inside the hole. So let's go ahead and put them in. So here's what it looks like once you've finessed your way into that hole. Basically, one of the best things to do is try to get half of it in. Once you get half of it in, then you can finesse the rest of it in. So it's a bit challenging and patience is a must, but once you start working with it, it's not too bad. So I'm gonna try my best to try to explain what it is that I'm doing. So as you can see, here's your little rubber tab. Your hole is here. So basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to stuff at least half into that hole, and I'm gonna push it down. Once I push it down, here goes half of the rubber connecting piece that you need. And I need my hand for this, so hold on. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab it, and then I'm basically gonna try to finesse it in. And I'm gonna be pulling as I do it. And as I pull, then I'm trying to pull some of the extra with it. So it's a little bit of work. It's hard to do with one hand, but I'm gonna go ahead and finish this up. All right, you guys, and that's really about it. It's really hard at times, and if you're not careful like I did, I ripped it, but a little bit of patience will take you a long way. So hopefully this helps you guys. For whoever's trying to change out your seat, you want to get the comfort seat or something else like that, or your seat is messed up and you're just getting a replacement, that is how you do it. Best way to get to it is to actually clamshell the bike. It's a bit tedious, or I should say it kind of sucks to do that, but it's the best way to do it. So for now, you guys, I appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And Ryker fam, you know what to do. Tap in. Let's go.